Tomorrow's fusion will be very unique because me and Bikram bhai we have been doing a lot of good things together, and I have been doing with American artists like Larry Coryell, Rai Kudar, many things, and we have Carnatic music and North Indian. These are two main element of the Indian music, and there is Bollywood. How can you avoid that? So we have Soumya. So now it will be interesting because I have a lot of legacy about last 25 years. So these things will be collaborated, and now we will just start the rehearsal. So important thing is that previous days melody used to really be in the forefront and the rhythm will accompany. But now rhythm has also come in the forefront. So now there will be a lot of rhythmic and melodic collaboration along with the jazz influence and the Bollywood. But also Bollywood, there are some great songs like Yaad Piya Kiya Hai. So I am expecting Soumya to do them. So this will be a real music day, World Music Day celebration, because we have saxophone, and saxophone also we have alto saxophone and tenor saxophone. Both are different. Tenor is bass and alto is high. So I'm really excited because I have worked with George Brooks, who is a great saxophone player who could not come for this event. Gurudev, we have very famous song which is part of my album Timeless Tagore. Jodi Tor Lone Journey. Jodi Tor Dak Shune is it's even popular in non-Bengalis because even no one calls you, still you walk alone and find your own way. And Ustad Amjad Ali Khan has played before, and I have included me in my album also. And people think he was only composing in based on Bengali folk. No, he knew the Western music so well. That's why Purano Shei Diner Kotha, that song he composed in France, and he knew piano. He was much more bigger man than we think of him. Can you imagine 5,500 songs? It is difficult to learn in one lifetime, and he wrote those songs, not only poetry, but he composed them and wrote all the notation in his book Gitanjali. I just could learn 20 to 25 odd songs. And as I said in the press conference, yeah, I am not a Calcutta-based Bengali. I was born in Varanasi, brought up in Mumbai, so I have a real India in my mind.